Hello everyone, welcome back. It is so windy outside. I had all these plans this week to do like some fun outside videos because it's finally warm here. It's finally stopped snowing, huh?
I didn't even think I need a jacket or a coat.
Yeah, you don't even think you need a jacket, huh?
Uh-huh.
But we live like, here's a mountain, here's Cedar City. And so the wind just like whips through in the spring going from south to north. And so it's too windy. I have a cute video of Freya earlier today to illustrate how windy it was. Is this wind so funny? It's crazy, huh? So regardless of if it's windy or not, I need to pot up my raspberry and strawberry plants. So Freya's gonna help with that. She already has been pushing around this pot all day. You say hi? You've been pushing around the empty pot, huh? But we'll see if you want to help dig in the dirt. What do you think? Oh, you're pushing around the heavy pot too. We'll just edit it. This one I'm curious about because it hasn't gotten any like leaves yet. So I wonder if it's even alive. But we're gonna plant it anyway because if it's not alive, whatever. But if we don't plant it, that definitely will kill it and then we won't have any raspberries. And the reason I'm putting them in pots instead of in the ground is we're right in the middle of landscaping and they're gonna come and do sprinklers right where I wanna plant them. So I don't want them torn up
grass
and to die.
and stuff like that.
Yeah, hopefully we're gonna have grass really soon, which we're very excited about. So I'm gonna put them in pots for now and then maybe in the fall I'll be able to plant them in the ground where they're going. Can you come sit right here so we can see you?
Ooh, I feel here.
You feel uncomfortable? Why?
I feel comfortable.
Oh, good. Surrounded by plants, you feel comfortable? Here, right there is, I think, the best spot for you.
What's this?
All right, Freya.
I didn't think it's funny.
I'm vibrating the pot. Is that funny? Is that so funny? Look.
Kind of feel it's funny.
You want to put your hand on it and feel it?
Yeah.
Let the roots out. See how now the roots are all hanging down? And you're going to put it in.
I'm basically
And then
just putting a hand
put
in the
some
middle,
soil.
going out of it.
Just like that. And then, hopefully, in a couple months, we'll have some strawberries. Yummy. Okay, you want to try with this one? With the next one?
one?
Mm-hmm.
Okay.
We actually. So, do you want to dig a hole right there? It's okay. That just tells us the type of strawberry. So we've got Seascape and Sequoia were the two. Yep, and you might have to just bring some this way like this. Oh, dirty, huh? Okay, can you tickle its roots? Stick it all that dirt out? Tickle, 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 tickle. There, oh yeah, that looks great.
Now you put them on the box.
Okay, ready? Put it in. And with strawberries, you see this here? You want that above the soil, okay? So we don't want to bury it too deep. Oh, it's so big and heavy. Can you hold this part and guide it out as I kind of shake it and tap on it? Oh, good job. That's great. See all its roots?
Yeah.
Okay, so put the roots down in.
Don't pull its roots. That's not nice. That's not
And then
nice.
put the dirt around it.
Put the dirt around it and that part. I don't want to see
Alrighty, we got them all done, huh, Jessie? Okay, here it is. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 raspberry plants and 6 strawberry plants. Now we got to move them outside and water them real good. I'm so proud of you for helping. Jessie doesn't like to get her hands dirty, huh? Yeah, but she helped and did very good. Now are you going to go wash your hands?
They're not dirty.
Oh, did you? You just wiped them off. Perfect. Liam's my gardener with me. He loves to get his hands dirty, but I'm proud of Jessie for trying something new, huh? Jessie loves, what's your favorite part of gardening? I think you have 2 favorite parts. What do you think? Do you like picking out the plants? Go to the nursery and pick them out?
Yeah, and I started like taking it out of the pot.
Taking them out of the pots. I was thinking you like eating the food when it grows.
Yeah, I started like that.
Yeah, 3 things. And Freya likes, Freya, that's not a cup. She's not eating dirt. That's not a cup.
They like eating dirt.
She's silly. She likes putting her mouth on the edge of pots, huh?
Right, there's one right here.
Oh my gosh.
They got dirty too.
You got a little dirty?
It's like, you need to wash my face, but don't.
Should we go wash your face?
It's like, no, I'm not doing that. See, like, see? No, Freya, no.
Yeah.
Don't pick it off.
So
no,
nice.
No.
Oh, okay. Let's replant that one.
Yeah.
Freya. We just got our groceries delivered, which our local grocery store had like a deal going on. They also have like a gas station attached, and if you signed up to get your groceries delivered, they would give you like double the points toward gas, and then you get so much off on gas for how many groceries you get. Anyway, and I did the math, and it ended up being more savings on gas than like in 3 months than it would be on the membership. So I signed up. It is life-changing, you guys. I love just having groceries show up at my door. Don't have to leave my house. It's great. So you guys want to see what we got? All right, so tomorrow we're having our friends over for a sushi night. My dad lived for 2 years in Japan for a mission for our church, and he taught me how to make sushi young. So we've got crab, tuna, shrimp, edamame, vegetables for frying, avocado, cucumber, cream cheese, rice, and seaweed. Salsa. We're gonna make Rice Krispie treats. My kids make candy sushi with Rice Krispie treats, and here we go, fruit by the foot, and Swedish fish for like a cute dessert. So that's for that. Cherries, we like cherries in our soda here. Ketchup, tortilla chips, chocolate milk, butter, meat, Quest cookies. I have celiac, so I have to eat gluten-free, and these are gluten-free and high protein, so I like them as like a little snack. Applesauce, green chilies, rice vinegar for the sushi, sugar-free vanilla, and decaf coffee. I always have the hardest time finding decaf coffee, so I always order it I basically order it every week, and half the time they have it, maybe a quarter of the time they have it. My husband and I like to make like half calf or quarter calf coffee, so we're not drinking as much caffeine, but still get to drink yummy coffee. So there's that, some yogurts, and then over here on the floor, Otter Pops, because it finally is nice outside. We needed some Otter Pops, huh? Mm-hmm. Oh, and there's some more marshmallows. And Jessie is practicing her cha. Good job. Cheese. Jessie is in speech therapy. She has been since preschool and is doing amazing. And she walks around practicing. J is next, huh? Which is very unfortunate because both your names have a J. Ooh, J. I heard that. Good job. Good job. Her name is Jessie Jane, so we're working on those J sounds. And here's Freya with her beans. She has these beans as a sensory toy and she absolutely loves them, but every time I get them out, this is what happens. Hi. I think that's Dad. I have some video I'll put in here of her playing with the beans, and it's hilarious. No one cares. You see the dirt on her cheek? That means we had a good day, huh? I'm getting sleepy. We're in this horrible cycle of taking naps at 4 p.m. and then staying up till 10. But I can't get her down for a nap sooner. And if I don't put her down for a nap, she just falls asleep on the floor in random places. So it's great. Yeah, it's great, huh? Wanted to say I love all the questions I'm getting on my last video. If you didn't see, CDLS Awareness Day is May 13th, and I asked for comments on my last video with questions, anything you want answered about CDLS or our life with a disabled child, how that works with having 4 kids. So go back on my last video if you haven't yet and comment a question. She's just so cute. I love when she puts her little lucky arm up on her bottle. Yeah, it's the cutest. You know you're cute though, huh? Well, thanks for hanging out with us today, you guys. I hope I'll see you next time.